Hey everybody, I am just brimming over with excitement about my new book, and it is the Family Reunion Event Planning Guide. Soon to be available through Amazon. You got to be excited with me because it's what you have been asking for a couple years now. I have taken all of the experience that I have in planning events for those around me, my clients and things, and I am giving that information to you now. It covers, it's quite a few chapters covering the details to communicating with your family, reaching out to venues, setting a budget. That's something that a lot of people struggle with. Finding entertainment and contracting all types of help for different things. Really getting information from your family, creative projects that you can do. I needless to say, love planning events, one of my favorite pastimes, and this information is available for you to help you fall in love with event planning as well. It's a two-part book series. One is something that you can just keep on your phone. It's, an ebook also. You can have it with you whenever you are, at work, at lunch, or after hours. You may be going away for the weekend. You can look at it and get familiar with what types of things you should be doing at what times on your timeline. And then the workbook, there's a separate second item that will help keep you on task. So as you're getting information, there's a repository for you to put the information and to kind of check off as you go. Okay, I did this, I did that, I did this. It's a list of what needs to be done. And even if you decide on this particular thing that this one item doesn't have any impact with your family reunion, you can still check it off to say, okay, covered that. It's not something that's needed. But I try to think of everything for you. So look for my books, and if you have any questions, reach out to me here. There will be a link coming shortly so that you can get it direct through this channel. If you have any questions, please let me know. All right, happy reading.